Another boring day for us, another red day because Bitcoin is now down again at around the 64,000 levels. Wow. This is the first day of August, but we are currently down. All right. But, anyways, I want you guys to take notice of this candle right here. Okay, let's make it bigger. There you go. As what you can see, we have a long tail here, right? Okay. Or we call that as the wick of the candle, a long wick. All right. Now, I want you guys to plot that, okay? To plot that in a box, okay? From tip to tip, and then just extend it to the current price, okay? As what you can see, prices are really attracted to go back to those levels again. Okay, that is what we call retracement. They are trying to go back to those levels again because that is acting as a strong support levels. Okay, what do I mean by that? Okay, let's plot more lines here. Okay, so as what you can see, we have a tail of the candle right here. Okay, let's plot it. Okay, to around these areas. Okay, as what you can see, prices went down, but what happened next? It acted as a strong support levels and then prices went up again. Okay, same process right here. We had a long wick or tail of the candle right here. Let's plot it. Okay, there you go. This is what you can see. Prices went down again, but it acted as a strong support levels. So what happened next? It went up again. Okay. And if you're going to do that in your chart, you would notice that prices tend to really go back to those areas. Okay, as what you can see, prices went down again, and what happened next? It acted as a strong support levels and prices went up again. And the list goes on and on. Like this one as well, it acted as a support levels. Okay, it acted as a support levels at around these areas and prices went up again. Okay, so as what you can see, guys, the tails of those candles right there is acting as a strong support levels for the future movements of the market. Okay? So do not worry that Bitcoin is now going down to those levels because as what you can see, guys, it is just going back to those strong support levels right here, okay, before going upwards again. All right, so yeah, take a look at this one. It went down, acted as a strong support levels, and went up again. Okay, went down, acted as a strong support levels, and went up again. Same process with this one. It went down, acted as a strong support levels, and went up again. All right. So as what you can see here, guys, Bitcoin went down again to around these levels right here. And the tail of this previous candle right here could act as a strong support levels for Bitcoin in the next few days or in the next few months. Okay. We can actually extend this one as well. Okay, there you go, guys. So it means that in this particular area right here, we could see a strong support levels. Okay. So do not worry that Bitcoin is going down to around these areas because it is just building its momentum. Investors are now accumulating to around these areas because prices are cheap, prices are on sale, and at the same time we are at the support levels. Okay, so that is why I also bought Bitcoin to around that area. Okay, as what you can see, we have a letter B icon here. It means that I bought Bitcoin at around the 64,760, and we are currently down because the price of Bitcoin is already at the 64,000. But I am not worrying because as what I've said, the tails of these candles right here could act as a strong support levels for Bitcoin. It means that sooner or later, prices might bounce from these areas, okay? Bitcoin might even go down to around these levels, 62,000 levels, or to around the 63,000 levels. But again, that is fine because we are still at the support levels right here, okay? Plus, if we are also going to turn on our moving averages, okay, so here we go. As what you can see, guys, we have the blue line here. Okay, so this blue line is what we call the 100 MA. And as what you can see, Bitcoin is just below that particular level right there. Okay, so let's delete our drawings. Okay, there you go. But as what you can see, Bitcoin is still going down. Okay, but do not worry too much because we still have a lot of trading time. And yeah, Bitcoin might even retrace back and sit above those levels again. Sit above the 100 MA levels. Okay, but if not, then the next support levels will be at around the red line here. The red line is what we call the 50 MA or the 50 moving average. Right? And that will also serve as a strong support level for Bitcoin. But as what you can see, either 100 MA or 50 MA, they are still inside the long tail of this candle right here. Okay? Or the long tail of this candle right here. Okay, there you go, guys. So it means that sooner or later, Bitcoin will just bounce from those levels again. All right. So be patient because, yeah, it could take a long time before we could witness a bounce from these levels. But keep in mind that this particular move right there is what we call a healthy consolidation or what we call a healthy retracement. Okay. Bitcoin is just building its momentum inside the support levels right here until such time that it could regain its strength back and then finally move to the upwards again. All right, so that's it for now. Again, just be patient, although it's very boring, although it's very frustrating, but be patient. All right, so that's all for now. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.